Credit unions are really good to use to establish your financial freedom. Really good for the community and can help people in the community establish banking history, right? So it's a win-win. But have you ever thought about starting your own credit union? Well, this is a video topic that actually came to me when I heard about the Alpha Kappa Alpha sorority for members only credit union. Okay, for members only federal credit union is the first, let me say it again for you. The first Black owned, women led, sorority based digital banking financial institution in the history of the United States. Yeah.
You heard me right.
So, shout out to them, right? For being pioneers in this space. And you never know who might be next, right? So with that being said, we're gonna go over the 12 steps to starting a credit union. Now, this is not the definite steps. This is not probably like all the steps, right? But this is a good synopsis of what you need to do, all right? But before we do all that,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
my name is Devon, Put in Work Burke, the Wealth Builder himself, for the wealthbuilders.com. That's the Wealth Builders with a Z.com, and the co-owner of the Wealth Builders Solutions, LLC. If you love content like this video and talking about making more money, saving more money, building a better you, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like this video. Okay, so step 1, research and planning. Begin by researching the legal and regulatory requirements for establishing a credit union in your country or region, your state, wherever you are. Each place may have specific rules you need to know. Okay, so also think about your target market and the services you want to offer. Developing a solid business plan is essential, okay? Especially with something like a credit union. Number 2, form your founding team. You need a dedicated team of like-minded individuals who share your vision for the credit union. Having diverse skills and expertise among the team members can be really, really helpful. Okay, so you want people that bring different things to the table, right? Number 3, membership and field of membership. Determine the field of membership for your credit union. It defines who can join and become a member. Typically, credit unions have a common bond, such as being part of the same community, working for the same employer, or belonging to the same organizations, as you can see with the AKAs. Number 4, legal and regulatory requirements. Complying with legal and regulatory requirements is crucial. You need to register your credit union with the appropriate government agencies and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. Number 5, capitalization and funding. Credit unions require initial capital to start operating. Determine the amount of capital needed and explore potential sources of funding, such as member deposits or external investors. Now, speaking of funding, I do have a way you can get funding for your business. The link is in the description below. Number 6, board of directors and governance. Establish a board of directors to oversee the credit union's operations. They'll play a crucial role in decision making and setting the strategic direction of the credit union. Number 7, location and infrastructure. Okay, decide on a physical location for your credit union if you plan to have a brick and mortar branch. Otherwise, you can explore the option of operating primarily online. That's something you want to do. Number 8, build relationships with partners. Establish relationships with key partners such as financial institutions, vendors, and other organizations. These partnerships can help with services and support. And number 9, technology and security. Invest in reliable technology and security measures to ensure your credit union can function efficiently and protect member data. This is very, very important. Number 10, obtain insurance. Look into getting insurance coverage for your credit union to safeguard against potential risks. Okay, you need insurance for just in case matters when it comes to a credit union. I'm sorry. Number 11, marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to attract members and build awareness about your credit union. Social media, local events, and word of mouth can be effective tools. Now, it all depends what type of members you're looking to have, right? So it all depends where you're going to market and advertise your business. Your credit union. Number 12, open for business. Once you've completed all the necessary steps, you're ready to open your credit union to members and start providing financial services to the community. So remember, starting a credit union requires thorough planning, attention to detail, and dedication. But with the right approach and a passion for helping others, you can create a successful credit union that benefits both its members and the community. And I just want to say good luck. If you have any more questions, leave a comment in the description and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Also, if you want to learn more about getting funding for your credit union or whatever business you're looking to do, there's a link in the description for that. You can get your funding or learn how you can get your funding through that link. And you can join the Wealth Builders newsletter. The link is in the description. Man, just check out the description because it got all my links, all ways to get in touch with me, all ways to make some money with me, all business tools you need, everything you need is in the description. So until next time, Wealth Builders, it's the man, it's the myth, the Wealth Builder himself, Devon, put in work, Burke, signing off for how to start your own credit union. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more,
Save more.
build more. Peace.